interesting. Ow.
Oh wow! Wait, what is that?
It's a security system.
I know.
Wait, why is there like three? There's like three different.
Oh yeah. And there's music playing. Looks like a... I don't even know the model. And then there are those.
Simplex T-bar. It has a CO detector.
This one's here. That one's on 3.
The system isn't indeed conventional, though. I can tell because of it not. Look quite weird doing that.
2901 9333 with a out trim plate. Look, this is lit. Never mind, it's not calling the other one. So obviously this one is the fan.
What the?
Oh my god. This is literally... Oh.
Don't you even.
What happened?
Looks like someone smashed it.
It's maintained by Island.
Jeez, that was pretty rough.
Look at that. Rip. And it replaced... It now has an infamous...
Double rip.
Oh, what a file on fail right there. What a file on fail right there. Wheel of Firearms, that's for you. Dude, what's this? And this?
That's called a hole.
Why is there a hole though?
Now, yes?
Oh, we're just seeing things.
You taking photos of stuff?
Oh,
What are you doing with your phone?
oh, I just have it out.
Why are you looking at the camera over here taking photos?
Oh, okay. We're just like elevator enthusiasts and stuff.
Why are you going out here taking photos of stuff with your phone?
We just like smoke detectors and stuff.
You like someone and you delete that out of your phone. You can't be taking photos of a medical building.
Oh, okay, that's
Right,
fine.
You have to be set, so bring your phone over here and delete whatever you just took out of your phone.
Okay. I did not actually delete the video. I actually had right to keep the video. All right, let's go. Wow. That was my first time getting busted. That was interesting. Kinda.